Millets are whole grain packed with proteins, antioxidants, nutrients, and also they are gluten free. Including one type of millet in our diet every day will improve gut health by supporting good bacteria. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am showing a healthy whole grain dish of the state of Karnataka that is made out of finger millet, popularly called as ragi roti. I'll be showing some tips and tricks which will result in a soft and tasty roti. For this, you need half cup of spring onion, half cup of grated carrots, some crushed green chilies. I have used 2 green chilies here. Few dill leaves. So dill leaves are optional, but it gives a great flavor to the roti. If you don't have dill leaves, you can replace with coriander leaves and curry leaves as well. Cut the dill leaves into small pieces. Now I've taken 2 tablespoons of coconut flour. Adding coconut flour makes the roti soft and tasty. You can replace coconut flour with well cooked rice, so the rice should be soft and mushy, even that makes the roti soft. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of unsweetened desiccated coconut, so this is optional. Next, 2 tablespoons of peanut powder. You can replace peanut powder with cashew powder as well, so even this makes the roti tasty. Now I'm adding 2 cups of finger millet flour, which is also called as ragi flour. Salt as per your taste. Mix all the ingredients well. Now I am adding warm water. So add the warm water little at a time. So don't add it all at once. You need to add the water little by little and make a soft dough. So whenever you are making a flat bread out of millets, it's very important to use warm water. Now the dough is ready, so it is soft and it's not sticking to my hand. So once the dough is ready, so immediately you need to start making the roti. So no need to rest the dough. Divide the dough into equal small balls. Here I have taken a baking paper or a parchment paper. Grease few drops of oil on the sheet, and also I have greased my hand. I have taken one small ball. Pat and spread the dough thinly, and it should be uniform throughout. Instead of baking paper, you can also use banana leaves. So make sure to gently heat the leaves so that it becomes pliable before spreading the dough on it. It's better to cover the remaining dough balls while you're making each flatbread, so that this avoids drying of the dough. Preheat a tawa. Here I am using a cast iron. Flip the paper on the hot tawa. Press it gently throughout and leave it for few seconds. Don't peel the paper immediately. So after few seconds, gently peel the paper out. So the heat or the flame should be low to medium. Apply few drops of oil and cook the roti for 1 to 2 minutes. Flip the roti and cook on the other side. Make sure the heat or flame should be low to medium. It may take around 3 to 5 minutes to cook each roti. Serve the roti with a teaspoon of ghee and enjoy it with any chutney of your choice, or you can also serve it with vegetable korma or palak paneer. Do try this healthy and delicious finger millet flatbread and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.